fabulous. As the Christmas look series has already begun, today I am doing this look too. Hope you all are going to like and enjoy this look. So let's jump into the tutorial. Prepping my face with the Nivea Light Moisturiser, applying it and gently massaging it. To add shine to my face, I am using the L'Oreal Glow Mon Amour Highlighting Drops in the shade Loving Peach. Applying it on my face and blending it with the help of an oval brush. Setting my eyeshadow base with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. And blending it with a small beauty blender. Setting the eyeshadow base with the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder, and the shade I am using is Olive. From the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, I am using the light pink shade as the transition color and blending it. I am now applying the dark pink color in my crease and slowly building the color. Picking the purple shade from the same palette and applying in the outer corners and blending it with the pink color. Doing half cut crease with an angle brush and applying the concealer. Using the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette, and from this palette I am applying the blue shade in the cut crease. Starting from the inner corners, adding more color to increase the intensity of the color. Now I'm again applying the purple shade in the corners and blending it with the blue color. Blending the harsh edges using the pink shade. Putting the purple color in the lower lash line. And then applying the pink color. Using the Plum NaturStudio Kohl in the lower lash line. A very long wearing kohl. Smudging it with a smudger brush. Wearing the PAC Professional Eyelashes in the shade M72. Today I am going to use my all-time favorite foundation, that is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade 4.0. Applying it on my face and on my neck. Now blending it with a damp sponge. Now this foundation is a very good foundation and it blends very well in your skin. Concealing my under eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Also using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for highlighting. And blending it with a small beauty blender. Applying the concealer on the bridge of my nose and in the center of my eyebrows. Setting my under eyes with the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. And also setting my face. For my eyebrows, I am using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Ash Brown Kit. First I am brushing my eyebrows and then I am gently filling in my eyebrows. Filling in the other eyebrow as well. Now shaping them with the spoolie and removing excess product. I am now cleaning my eyebrows with the concealer. To contour my face, I am using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Baked Brown. Starting from the forehead, applying on my nose, my jawline, and now slowly blending it with a beauty blender. Taking my time to blend the contour well into my skin. A very good contour. Using the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo and applying the light pink shade on my cheeks. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette and applying the shade Snatched. Highlighting the bridge of my nose, my forehead, upper lips and my jaw, applying it on my brow bones. To outline my lips, I'm using the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips in the shade Rich Pink. Filling my lips with my favorite Peppy Hill Time to Shine lip gloss from Sugar Cosmetics. Setting my makeup with the MAC Prep Plus Prime Makeup Fixer. The final look created. Thank you so much for watching. Hoping you found it helpful and would love to create this look. Wishing you all prosperity and abundance of love this Christmas.